My name is Livia Nantongo, yes, and I'm a student at Kampala International University. Gender equality, basically, in the concept of Uganda today, we see that the laws of Uganda have tried to embrace equality of both males and females. However, gender equality has not been to the extreme of it, to the extent that females have been a little bit discriminated, even though the laws are put in place, but the laws have not been fully enforced.
Before you become a lawyer, it's a process. It all starts with educating the girls. We need to get them to school. We need to give them education.
Yes, the Constitution of Uganda has tried to promote gender equality, but it implementing the laws, it has at some point lacked to enforce those laws. Where in Article 21, it provides, Article 21 Clause 1, it provides that all men and women are equal under the law. So already that's equality for men and women under the law. When you go ahead to Article 31 of the Constitution, it provides that in a family, a man and woman have equal rights in marriage and at the dissolution of marriage. And you see that the government, however, it has implemented these laws, it has gone ahead to enforce the laws.
I think we need to enforce the laws that are already in place. Because one of the challenges that we have as female lawyers in the field, we've looked at them, discrimination, unconscious bias, we looked at sexual harassment. So we need to address those by enforcing the laws.
If you're to critically analyze the legal profession leadership of today in Uganda, you can critically say that it is much dominated of men more than women. If you can take a history of the current Chief Justice and the Chief Justices that have been there in the history of Uganda, there is no female that has been in those top leadership positions, of which it would be better if at least the women or the female lawyers could be given a chance to also take up those highest leadership positions in Uganda.
Universities need to engage female students in activities like we have what we call mooting in universities, where you go on a panel, you assume you're in court, you argue out facts, you argue out the law. So in doing that, you're elevating their esteem, their confidence as female lawyers, and also preparing them in line with the legal profession.
Sexual harassment in the legal profession, I can say to a smaller extent it is there. However, the sexual harassment has not been brought out to the light of, like, for us to realize that this person or this female lawyer has been assaulted. However, inside the legal profession, there is sexual harassment, I can say.
When we talk about pay roles, we look at differences or the disparities between the male and the female lawyers. You find that some of us, our gender, the females, are not assigned with high-profile cases, so they're only limited to the male gender. So in that creates pay disparities.
I'm not so much saying that females should be given rights over the males. I still embrace Article 21, that we are all equal under the law and in all spheres. As Justice Mujenyi said, that what a man can do, a female can do. But a female can do when she doubles work twice that the male has done, like what the male has done. So I still believe that if the women out there or if the female lawyers out there really amplify their voices, I think it could really work.
Well, the Constitution has several provisions which are applicable to both men and women. We specifically look at Article 33 that talks about rights of women and all that, equality. We look at Article 31 that talks about equality in marriage. We also look at Article 21, that is equality of all persons before and under the law. So basically, the Constitution has covered a lot. The different provisions that are protecting the women's rights and equality. But the question is, are they enforced? What is happening on ground? What is the practice? That's what we are looking at right now.
I am hoping, if by God wishes, by good luck, to bring out ideas so that the government could at least, based on my ideas, and promote pro bono services, make people aware of their rights, the females and the marginalized groups. Let them be aware of their rights.
As a lawyer, I aspire to serve justice, being inspired by several people in the field already. So my major aim is seeing justice in society. How do I do that? Representing clients properly in court, talking about these vices that in society, inequality, sexual harassments and all that, not only to females or women, but also children and also the men, because we are all equal anyway.